Hello, welcome to the second video regarding inventory management of a hospital pharmacy in Tally ERP system. We were dealing with this Excel sheet and we have created these groups, tablets and injectables and syrup group into our Tally ERP system. And also we have added their units as well. Also we have added the items like tablets and these injectables into the system, but we were left with adding this our last item flagell into the item creation. So we will create this item. We will go back to our Tally interface, and the stock item creation is already open in front of you. So you can see, you can write here flagell injection. The unit was the injectable under injectables group, and unit in numbers. UD will leave it blank for now. And what are the quantity that we are already having is 200. So 200 is a quantity that we already having with the rate of 20 again, and this will be the total value that we already have in our stock. And Control A, we will press. This item is also created. Now, as we have created these all items into the inventory, and we have also done with adding the stock groups and the units, now we are well ready for posting our vouchers, purchase vouchers and sell vouchers as well. So now we will move to the posting the vouchers. In accounting vouchers, you can see that you have to create some ledgers regarding purchase ledger and sell ledgers. So for creating this, you have already in master creation menu, but for your understanding, I will have to go back to the main interface Tally, and then here we will go to the create, and you can create from here your ledgers. Here you can create the ledgers, but I will do some other thing. We will create ledgers while we will be posting our transactions into the system. So for now, I will not create ledger creation here, because you know this already how to create the ledger here. For now, I will try some other thing for you. So we will go directly to the vouchers. Here you can see sale and purchase vouchers. We will go back to our Excel sheet and we will see these transactions we have to record into Tally ERP system. Purchase 200 packs of Panadol, 6 dirhams on cash. 200 packs of Panadol we have purchased. So we will have to add the purchase voucher. Shortcut is F9, or you can press it with help of mouse here, and this purchase voucher will be open. Supplier invoice number, for example, it's 01, and so we are dealing with cash, so we can write it C. For example, it is C01. This is the bill number basically. So party name, this time we are purchasing the items in cash, so we don't need to add party here for the moment, so it will be cash. And a receipt note number, for example, there are some details that you need to enter. If you have received the bill, you can see all the information here. So for now, we don't have any such information. We will keep all this data blank, and okay, it is blank. So purchase ledger will be, here you can see we don't have any ledger related to purchasing, so we have to create some ledger here. For creating the ledger, you have to press Alt C here by leaving your cursor into this section. So Alt C, when you will press Alt C here, ledger creation menu will open directly. So this is the indirect method for ledger creation. Okay, here you can add purchase ledger for you. Purchases. This account is purchase accounts. Okay, we have the head here available, purchase account set. Type of ledger, here we will not applicable, we will do. And provide balance details, no, we will keep it blank for now. But if you have all the information, it's good you record all the information regarding your purchase. So here this is the entry. So what are the items? Now you can add the items that you have purchased. So what first item that we have purchased is Panadol. If you write here Panadol, it will come here in the list of stock items in front of you. So here you can click this Panadol. Okay, now the quantity that you have purchased by this transaction, it is 200 packs, amounting to 200 packs of Panadol and 200 packs of Brufen. 200 packs of Panadol. This rate is 6 now, because before the rate will come in front of you 5, but now we have purchased it for higher rate, so 6 will be here. Unit will stay same, and now you will move to our second line item. We will add Brufen here. Okay, we have purchased 200 packs of Brufen also, and this time the price is 7. Rate is 7. So this is your transaction. Now we will move to add our narration. Purchase of tablets on cash. You can now you will save this transaction by pressing Alt Control A. So this purchase voucher is now saved. Now we will see what is the next entry that you have to do. Second transaction is sold 20 packs of Panadol for 12 dirhams each and 5 packs of levofloxacin at the rate of 10 dirhams on cash. So now we are selling the Panadol and levofloxacin. Okay, so this time we have to post the sale voucher. We will go back again to our Tally ERP system, and this is the purchase voucher, but this time we are dealing with sale of our inventory. So we can press, you can see this on right hand side, sale F8. You can go alternatively to sales by pressing F8 or by moving your mouse over sales and clicking left click. So this sale item is opened in front of you. This time we are also selling on cash, so we are directly receiving cash. So cash account we will select from list of ledgers account. All this information is available with us. We will input here, and but still we don't have any information. We are doing it for educational purpose, so we will keep it as sales ledger. So we don't have any sales ledger, you can see here in the list of ledgers account. So we have to create these ledgers. Again, we will press Alt C for making the ledger sales. Okay, and this which will be the head of this group. Sales account will be the head of this, and all of those details we will save. So sales is it's also added now. Sales ledger is also created. Now what were the items we basically sold? Panadol we sold. How much of Panadol we sold? We will see here in this Excel sheet. 20 packs of Panadol we sold here. Okay, 20 packs of Panadol we sold on the rate of 20 packs of Panadol for dirham 12. Okay, for dirham 12 each, amount will be 12, and then this will be second item of the sale, Brufen. How many packs we sold here? 5 packs. No, it is, sorry, it is levofloxacin, so we have to change this. 5 packs of levofloxacin. So here it will not be Brufen, it will be levofloxacin. We click here and we will select levofloxacin. Okay, we sold 5 packs and at the rate of 10 dirhams each on cash. So this will be our sale voucher number 1. If you want to add narration, you can add it here and here. Sold on cash, for example. So Control A, this sale voucher will be saved in front of you. Now I think time of video is over now. We will record our left 2 transactions in the next video. For now, take care of you. Allah Hafiz.